Azenta has worked with us for many, many years, and they're a crucial partner because they support the key automation platforms that allow us to store samples at large scale, securely, not just for years, but for decades. And for our customers, that's absolutely vital. My name is Tony Cox, and I'm the Chief Executive of UK Biocentre. The mission of UK Biocentre is to support large-scale, life-changing medical research in the UK. We specialise in large-scale projects rather than small ones, but anything from thousands to tens of thousands to millions of samples we process to support clinical trials, pure research, all manner of research projects.
My name's Sam Willett. I'm the Director of Operations at UK Biocentre. Bioculture was really important for us because we needed to grow our automated storage systems. And we've got storage systems right now which are coming to end of life.
Fundamentally, automation enables scale. Science is moving in a way where the ambition is to do larger studies, to deliver more power in research.
We needed a solution for the long-term future. And what the BioArc enables us is to have one system instead of 6, and which allows us to house over 17 million samples, which will enable us to reduce our energy costs and also spend less labour hours on the automation itself.
Automation is really the key underlying way to achieve that scale. So we work with our customers particularly to enable them to introduce large-scale automation in their workflows. So key challenges generally stem from issues of scale. So typically we will see research groups who are trying to build large workflows, and you face a number of scaling challenges when you move from a few hundreds or a few thousands of samples to processing tens of thousands or maybe even hundreds of thousands of samples. Those are different skill sets that you need, different technologies that need to be applied to be able to deliver those sorts of projects at that scale efficiently.
I think that the main thing is around educating the customers. So lots of our customers have held their samples in manual storage for a long time, and they're not overly aware of the associated risks with that. For us, it's around letting customers know that they can store with us greener, more cost effectively, and also the traceability of automation is far greater as well, and the speed of recovery of the samples, so we can let our customers have the samples back much quicker.
Azenta has worked with us for many, many years, and they're a crucial partner because they support the key automation platforms that allow us to store samples at large scale, securely, not just for years, but for decades. And for our customers, that's absolutely vital.
I think the Azenta partnership over the last 2 or 3 years has really blossomed. We've worked really closely with our Azenta colleagues over the last 2 or 3 years. And we've been able to understand exactly how they can educate us in terms of automation and also what we can do to help ourselves as well. So we've had lots of Azenta engineers on site, and we have weekly meetings on a Friday with all of the Azenta stakeholders, and there's been a real education and understanding process. We really feel that Azenta have really understood us far better over the last couple of years, and that's enabled a partnership to grow, which has benefited both parties.